Hi guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa St. Colbe 1, San Fernando, Pampanga. And kasama natin ngayon si...
Hi, I'm Dr. Angelo Rielina, pain specialist here in San Fernando, Pampanga.
Yun, so nakakatanggal ng pain si Doc. Doc, baka naman yung puso kasi...
Naku po, wag lang po heartbroken and sakit sa bulsa. Pero the rest ng pain kaya.
Ayun po, bali, dito po tayo, nag-deliver tayo. And ang mga dineliver natin, ito yung ating office table ni Doc and yung kanyang chair and yung mga dining natin. And Doc, konting interview lang po. Saan niyo po nakita ang Gaza GJ Furniture Betis po?
Well, actually, nag-research talaga ako. Well, Betis Guago is well known talaga, no? For making quality furnitures. So talaga thoroughly check ako, and there's many recommendations here sa Gaza talaga, no? So here talaga, and it did not disappoint since really ang ganda talaga ng quality compared sa other furniture shops. So talagang they deliver kung ano yung request ko. The good thing about Gaza is talagang they listen to my story. They listen kung ano yung vision ko for my furnitures. Where will I put it? Anong shade? Anong color? For example, for this one, what leather? Anong klaseng leather? What shade of color ng red ang pipiliin? So they listen and they can really deliver kung ano yung mga request mo. So nagsimula lang kami actually sa aking Lazy Susan na good for 8. And then since quality yung product and marami natuwa, talk about ng mga guest ko. So, I kept coming back to them. So, napagawa na ako nitong aking office table and chair. And then, nagpa-reupholster na rin ako. And then, of course, yung aking console table sa labas. So, pinagawa ko na rin sa kanila. It's really a good quality. Sulit ang bayad sa Gaza.
Yan po. And another follow-up question lang po. All in all po, Doc, sa naging performance po ng Gaza GJ Furniture Betis, ano po ang masasabi ninyo? And
If I'm a pain doctor, no, pinaparate ko yung patients ko ng 0 to 10 for pain. So kung gano'n kayo galing from 0 to 10, if I can put 15 or 20, because it's really beyond, you delivered beyond what is expected talaga. So hindi yun halong biro, totoo talaga yon. Super quality, as in talaga kung ano yung nakikita mo international. Actually, kung makikita sa international, is the same quality. I've been in hotels abroad. So, talagang ito talaga yung pinaka gusto ko sa kanila. Nakuha talaga nila kung ano yung quality.
ayun po. Thank you so much po, Doc, sa inyo pong information and thumbs up po sa Gaza GJ Furniture Betis. Doc, baka meron po kayong gustong i-shoutout?
Wala naman, and more powers to Gaza. Thank you very much. I'm far beyond grateful sa pagkaka-deliver ng furnitures ko. Thank you. More powers to Gaza.
Thank you po. And guys, don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. Meron tayong Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Doc, baka gusto niyo pong i-promote yung inyong...
You can follow me on Facebook, Dr. Angelo Rielina, Pain Specialist Pampanga.
Ayun po. Don't forget to follow, guys. Bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Gaza.